Okay, hello everybody, welcome back. So today I thought I'd do another video. This is going to be a June's favourite video. It's the first time I've done this, but I love watching them. I just think you can get some really good product like reviews and stuff in it, so I thought I would share it. So first things first, sorry it's been so long since I've uploaded a video, just had some family things going on, but I am back, and for July my goal is to be consistent. So first things first, I bought myself a new planner. That was one of the previous videos I've uploaded, was a planner fit of this Filofax Zip Safano, and normally I don't like a ring bound planner just because I feel like you're not getting that kind of journal feeling, but I love how it came. Let's see if I can just find a blank page. How it came set up with all the inserts, so I didn't need to really do anything. Any additional inserts, I actually already had them set up from my planner last year, like the health log from Peanuts Planner Co. So I was able to do that. I love how it was just so good, and it's no pressure to fill it in every day. There's no pressure to set it up. I can just, on the days, let's see, like today, this is today, I was just able to write down what I needed to do, and that was it. And I really do find it a lot more functional for the moment when I'm not able to write in it every day. Just, I mean, being you know, in the office from 9 till 5:30 Monday to Friday, and I don't bring it with me just because it's very private and I don't want anybody at work, you know, looking at it, no asking me questions about, but so that's that. Yes, so I highly recommend it. I love the pockets, so easy to carry. I love how it's zipping up and down, so very easy to store in your bag. You don't have to worry about the pages getting bent or keeping it flat or anything, so I really do like it. And it's not that heavy. I mean, it's a bit heavier than the Hobonichi Weeks I was using before, but not, you know, over the top, which is good. So next thing I have to recommend is from Pandora. I bought this ring. It says Angel, if the camera focuses. Yeah, Angel. It was in the sale. It cost £16, down from 40, and it's just so good. Now, I was a bit disappointed when I first saw it and it was open back, but actually, you know what, it works quite well. It doesn't pinch too badly, and I really like how it looks. And for someone that is a big Angel fan, because David Boreanaz is just the best. It was really good, and I hadn't seen one like it, and it actually looks like, for anybody that doesn't watch the hasn't seen the show, it actually looks like the font of the title, Angel. So I thought that was so cool. So the next thing is, I did a self-care video a couple months ago now, and I was talking about the new shaver I bought, the Astrid shaver. Well, I've begun to continue using it, and it has actually worked really well for me. Once I cut my finger on it, so just be careful. It was really bad. I don't do well with when I cut myself. I got a bit dizzy. I mean, there was a lot of blood, but it was not too bad. But it gives such a smooth shave. It's really easy to use it in the shower. And I've just joined up, or I'm going to join up the subscription service, so you can get the blades delivered to your house, which is so good. I've seen on their website that they do like free shipping and everything. I actually bought the shaver and boots just because it was on sale, and at the time it was a kind of a spur of the moment thing. I was just feeling like I needed something, and I hadn't done too much research into it, but since getting it and liking it, I've done more research into it, and I really do like it, and I'm going to join up the subscription service. As I said, I want to get the travel case, which I'm very much looking forward to. And there is a bit so you can hang it in the shower. I don't do that. I don't have my own shower. But it works well just leaving it in my bedroom, which is good. And I forgot to say it at the beginning, but all of these is my own opinion. They are not sponsored or anything, so I really do like it. Now I got a couple of things that aren't physical, but I started a new show, TV show called The Rookie. Stars Nathan Fillion, and I have actually really enjoyed it. It takes quite a while for me to get into a show, and a lot of the times if I start it I don't finish it, I kind of give up. But it has really joined me in and made it's very easy to watch. The characters are very likable. It's not too hard-hitting. The storylines, although they're sad, you can kind of take a step back, I feel. I don't feel like I get too much get too, distracted or anything, which is good. Sorry, there's something there on the floor. Sorry. Yeah, so I don't feel like I get, too distracted or too... And look, I just cut myself. Which is not good. Okay, sorry. I'll tell you what I was looking at. I was looking at, see here on my dresser drawers, I just noticed that. And now I got distracted and I forgot what I was talking about and I cut myself and... Sorry, you can probably see why everything's just been a mess lately, but I know I'm not alone in feeling that, and so I thought I'm trying to show the real side of it, of living with some anxiety, and it can be so debilitating. But this is not what this video is about. It is about my June favourites, and The Rookie is definitely one of them. It was so good. I'm just on we just started season 5 and it's good. It's very easy to binge watch, very easy to follow the storyline. Doesn't really matter too much if you miss an episode. If you're someone like me and really struggles to get into stuff and really struggles to, see things through, I highly recommend it. It is a very good show. I highly recommend it. And another show that I've been watching, which is a bit more... is very different. It's called Grimm, and I just love it so much. It's so good. The way it impacts. I better explain the episodes, but it'd be easier if I explain what the show is about. The show Grimm is about this detective who finds out that he is a Grimm, and that means that he can see what's called Vesim, which different people have kind of a different kind of animal or species living inside of them. That means they're kind of like not a demon, but kind of half demon, half human, and I think that's the best way to describe it. Like, they don't always show their demon side, and they're not demons, and I don't mean to, put that word out because I think it has lots of negative connotations. However, I think that is one thing that people will be most universally connect to. But anyway, he finds out he's a Grimm, and he goes about being a Grimm differently. He doesn't think all these Vesin are bad. He actually makes friends with them. He makes lots of waves in being a Grimm, and he helps a lot of people, and it's very good, very funny, very easy to watch, very likable characters, and very clever storylines. And sometimes the way it's kind of takes like real kind of storylines, kind of real life events, and changes them and makes it really interesting, which was very good. And then I've got just a couple more products to recommend, one of which is the Emma mattress. Now, I bought this beginning, I bought it April, got it new bed set up the beginning of May, and it has literally changed my life. And I'm not over exaggerating when I say that. Before, my mattress, it was literally killing my back. My bed, my mattress, was in a single mattress. It just was not comfortable, was not good for my mental health. I bought a new double bed. Now the bed I bought, it was £100 from Argos. It's not the best bed, but it's just temporary. But it supports my Emma mattress well. My mattress was the main thing. I can show you it here. So this is the mattress I got set up, and I've actually put like a sheet underneath it that goes like this way, so backwards kind of thing, to protect the bottom of the mattress. And then I've got like 3 sheets there, which is good. And I also and I highly recommend it. And then I also treated myself to 800 thread count bedding from a company called Dusk. They were the cheapest I could find, and they were on sale. And actually they are very smooth and really works well. I bought the sheet and the duvet cover, and I love this duvet cover. I mean the black is very, I've never had white bedding before. It's very hard to feel like I keep it clean, but it's so luxurious. And getting that bed has really changed my life for the better. I'm no longer waking up in back pain, no longer dreading going to bed. I mean, I'm still, my anxiety is still affecting my sleep, but actually, you know what, lying in bed, say 3 o'clock in the morning when I've woken up, and I can't get back to sleep, and reading my Kindle, it's actually just makes everything so much better, so much more comfortable. And I can't recommend it enough. If you're someone like me that was struggling, investing in the Emma mattress really, it made my life better, and it has really made it good. And it's so comfortable, so supportive, really does. Really was worth every penny. I bought it, and full disclosure, I did not pay full price for it. I bought the Emma mattress, the you know, Emma protector, and the pillow, the premium pillow, and I got them all at 55% off. And it cost me, and this is, I don't remember the exact amount, but it was between the £700 and £800 mark. And it was literally, I would spend it again in a heartbeat. It was really, it really did make my life so much better. And I just highly recommend it. It was, I have to say, and it was very awkward trying to get it out of the box, but I think that's just because I had very tight space, and it was very heavy trying to get it up the stairs, but it was very promptly delivered. It was very good service, and I really am very impressed with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I got off on a bit of a tangent, but I'm trying to be as real as possible in these videos, and at the moment this is real life, and I hope it's relatable to you if you're in the same position as me and struggling and trying to start, you know, something. I would love, not just this, I'm not just starting a YouTube video, but I'm also starting a blog, and would love one day for it to be my full-time career. And I'm struggling to get off the ground, and I think that's just because my anxiety is just you know, pressure, just overwhelming. But I'm trying not to put too much pressure on myself, just doing, you know, a little bit at a time, because slow and steady wins the race. Oh, that's what I keep telling myself, but I've got to believe it. So please, if you like me, please don't give up. Please continue watching. I hope you like these, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.